Happy Monday, guys. It's your boy Stas here. Welcome back to yet again another video. And we're looking pretty good here, guys, to kick off the week as every index in the U.S. stock market, cheers to that, guys, is green. So we have to break down the charts, my thoughts, stocks I'm looking at, what I'm looking to do. But first, hit that like button. Do not forget to subscribe and get your free stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account using that link down below and deposit at least $100. You'll get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000. You'll get 10 more free stocks. And overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, like I said, man, use that link down below or go to StockSurfest.com/Moomoo. The clock's ticking, guys. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get into it. So it's about 11 a.m., actually more like 10:50. Either way, about 11 a.m. on the East Coast. And guys, we're looking pretty good. The S&P's up almost 0.5% right now. QQQ is continuing the run, up another almost 1%, hitting another all-time high as the Russell, as expected, and the Dow, they're rebounding, guys. We have the Russell up 0.75% right now, rebounding quite nicely after getting hit for the last, it's been about 3 weeks now in a row. The Russell has been hit. I mean, all week last week it was hit. Same with the Dow. But now that I'm looking at this chart, I mean, guys, it's been since the end of November that the Russell has been downtrending, selling off. So it's due for a relief rally, and we're getting it right now, the start of it, if you will, up 0.75%. And the Dow Jones in a very similar boat as the Russell. It's been getting hit for about 2-3 weeks now, and it's rallying a little bit, up around 70 points right now, up about 0.2%. Not bad. Not bad if you ask me, guys. So yeah, keep your eyes on the rebound here on the Dow and the Russell. I feel like these are a bit oversold in the short term, and maybe there's more green. There will be more green over the course of today, maybe the next couple of days on those two indexes. And on QQQ, if I pull this up, I mean, it's already, breaking out, hitting all-time highs, ripping, it's looking really good. So it's not like the Russell and the Dow, those are oversold, a bit more oversold. QQQ is actually a bit overbought now. But who knows? I mean, it doesn't look like it's topping as of now. I mean, it's not looking like we're getting any selling yet. The intraday chart looks bullish. Every time frame looks bullish, guys. So we have to wait for the actual confirmation of a pullback, which we're not getting now on QQQ. And on SPY, this looks like actually it might be breaking out. I mean, this thing's been trading flat for about a week now. You can see it on the 5-day and on the 10-day 30-minute. I mean, if I get this channel tool out, you guys will be able to see, boom, pretty flat in this range for the last 2 weeks. Pretty much all month of December, we've been in this range. So SPY, if it takes out 608, this might be going higher. It might go to another all-time high, as it's been about a week, 10 days since the last all-time high on the S&P 500. So what do you guys think? I'm curious. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Do you think all-time highs are coming for the S&P before the end of the year? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious. I think my bold prediction is we will hit an all-time high again before the end of the year, but I'm curious kind of where your head's at. So let's go through some stocks that are running. Micron is up 5%, actually over 6% now on the day, heading into earnings later in the week. I think they're on Thursday. No, they're in 2 days. They're on Wednesday. So Micron, guys, heading into earnings, it's starting to get hot. We're up over 6%. We're now pushing a multi-month resistance, being at about 110, 112. We got hit there back in early August, mid-end August, end of September, mid-October, early November, so that's a big level of resistance, and it looks like we're already breaking out of 108. which I guess there is multiple spots here, 108 and 112. These are two big targets of resistance. So we broke 108, which was the high from August roughly. And now we're starting to fill this little gap right here up to 112, 114. Then that's going to be another spot. 112, 114 is where we triple topped back in the end of September throughout the beginning of November. So that's a big resistance for Micron. And the $1 million question here, guys, is will Micron's earnings be enough to get this thing above 112 to 114? If so, this could be a very big runner over the next couple of weeks, months. And, yeah, that could be opening up a nice opportunity. But, yeah, let's wait for the confirmations. I'm going to set some alerts here on this thing. I'll put one at $110 a share, and I'll do another one at, let's do 112 for now, and we'll see where it goes. So Micron's moving, guys, heading into earnings. Chewy's up again today, man. Chewy's looking pretty good, 3.5%. We called this out, I believe, over the weekend in my oversold stocks video, and we're up 4%. We're looking good, and honestly, this has more upside, in my humble opinion. I think we could be going back to the mid-high 30s, dare I say, 40. We might touch 40, which is at the top of this channel on the 4-hour chart. If things get really hot, if we get stretched to the upside, Chewy could be going 40. Google, guys, Alphabet is moving again, 3.5% in the green. I'm not sure if we got any news. It's probably just, continuation from what we got last week with the quantum chip. The stock went from around 175 last week all the way to 200. Then we cooled off a bit Thursday, Friday to about 190. And, well, that dip clearly got bought up. Now we're rebounding back to 200. We might break out of there, guys, and start going even higher. So, yeah, I'm so hyped. I bought more Google, guys. This is a stock that I've owned for years. You guys all know that. I'm not sure how long you've been watching my channel. Let me know in the comments. I'm actually curious, guys. Has it been a couple of months, couple of weeks, couple of years? Let me know how long you've been watching my channel. But I've said this time and time again throughout the course of the channel. Alphabet is one of my biggest positions. It was my biggest position for a long time. Then I think Amazon surpassed it a little bit there. Was buying a bunch of Amazon. I believe at one point, what's the other one? I'm forgetting now. Either way, it was my biggest position. Amazon, it's like at this point between Amazon, Google, Palantir has grown so much. It's there now too. It's crazy how that works. You buy a stock and then all of a sudden it's up 300%. You're like, holy crap. Now, this is one of my biggest stocks now. It's how it works. But either way, Google, I'm very excited I bought more. I'm hyped that I've been holding it for years. This move has been a long time coming. I knew eventually we'd get to 200 again. And here we are. That's why I was buying the dip like a madman over the last couple of months. And I think we're going well over 200. I'm sure a lot of you guys would agree over the next couple of years. But overall, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. It's not much more to talk about. It's looking pretty good out there today. We're green across the board. Those are 3 stocks that I'm watching right now, and we could go all day. But I don't want to make this video too long. We have a lot of other videos to make today, guys. So make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, join the Patreon, check out the email list. All of those are linked down below. And if you want some free stocks, who doesn't like free money, guys? Check out that Moomoo link down below. Open up your account. Fund it with at least $100. You get 5 stocks. And fund it with at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks. And overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So again, guys, hey, if you want some free money, check out the link down below or go to stoccerfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.